Hello everyone, GM, welcome to the channel. So I want to share with you guys a quick update that I noticed this a long time ago, but this is when I have time to make the video to show everyone. Okay, so how do you actually gain 12px? That is the Not Pixel token. How do you actually earn 12 per click? And how do you actually increase your pixel recolored? So as you can see now, we have 2592. The last digit here is 92. So let me go back right now and just show you guys how to go about it. So if you want to increase the pixel you have recolored, make sure you wait, and when you notice that a bomb has dropped, as you can see, bomb dropped around this part, you can see a bomb dropped here. Make sure you are playing within this canvas, this one here. Don't play outside the canvas, okay? So as you can see, there have been some bomb explosion on some part of this that is within this canvas here. Just within this, you would see what I'm talking about. Anything outside this canvas would not give you points. So let's just go ahead and zoom all the way in. Whenever they drop a bomb, you would see that it clears 5 by 5. Let me just show you what I mean. It clears 5 by 5 of this square, and it looks very empty. It looks dark. There is no color. So what do? Pay attention to this this part here. Don't play outside, like I said. So let's use, for instance, this part of this dock in the river, the water. If you scroll all the way in, you can see that they dropped a TNT was dropped at this point here. So how do you actually fill up this part? Make sure you are using the same color, which is yellow. I have this option here, this pixelate pixel picker. I will go ahead and just click on it, and automatically the color here changes. So I'll go ahead and just make use of this one here. Click on it, then it's going to fill up 3 by 3 of that column. All I have to do right now is just to fill up the remaining parts manually. I have to just do this manually. So I ran out of energy, so I'm just going to go ahead and just replenish my energy. Click on this. It's going to take 1, and it will fill it up to 24. So before you can be able to do all this, there is one thing you need to upgrade, and that is just this part. Come here, the boost. All you need to upgrade is this painting reward. Try to max it out, and also try to max your energy limit. These two things are the major thing you need to pay attention to. So let's just go back right now and use the same method to keep playing the game. Mind you, 2 things to bear in mind. You are using the right color, and you are actually painting the pixel that has been exploded by this bomb. You can see whenever there is a grenade, you can see it's empty. You can see, okay, let's zoom all the way in. You can see right now this part is being cleared 5 by, I think that should be 4 by 4. So all we need to do is just to fill up that portion. Fill it up, color it, recolor it before someone else does that before you. I think that will actually count towards the airdrop allocation once we are coming to the end of this game. Like I said before, click on a part that you believe should be more of that color, and then just replace the color. You can see now the color changes. You can go ahead and just change the color manually with this option here. And once you've changed the color, now go into the center of this, and you can paint it manually one by one. But to earn more, you can make use of this stuff right here. It's called the paint can. You're gonna purchase that with Star. I've made a video on how to purchase all this with Star. I'll put the video in the description of this particular video. All right, so all we need to do now is to drop, just click on this, and we're going to be painting a much more wider pixels. That's going to be 3 by 3. Okay, so we can go ahead and just paint this manually, and you can see we are earning 5 pix. We're earning 5 px actually. Sorry for that. So you can see we're going to be getting 5. As long as you are painting the correct color of that pixel, you'll be earning 5. Okay, let me share with you guys the final thing you need to do if you actually want to be earning more PX. But bear in mind that the major thing that will allow you to earn that much is going to be upgrading. Go to boost, upgrade this to the maximum, your painting reward, which is this. So if you have your painting reward leveled up to the max, you can go ahead and purchase this energy level. Click on this star icon just right here with the green dot. Now you can see that they are on a 75% sale. This is going to enable you to actually purchase more of these refills at a very cheaper rate. It's cheap, but it still costs some stars. You can see before, just to buy one refill, it cost 128, which is way too much. And right now, this Not Pixel are trying to make it as cheap as possible for the love of art. And you might not be able to get this so after a few days, because they just activated this for the, I think, for the second time. So we might not be seeing this very good discounts, maybe until probably this will be the end, this will be the last. Okay, let's just go ahead and just go back and focus on what I was showing you. So as you can see right now, they dropped TNT here, and you can see the color has been scattered. So let's go ahead and repaint that. Click on a similar color, click on a similar color, and then change it. If I'm trying to guess this color, I think it would be this. I think that should be this one here. So let's go ahead and paint. We got 0. What does it mean? Okay, we got 0 because that color is the same color. So let's go to somewhere that is blank. Now I can go ahead and paint this one after the other, but I want to make use of this my stuff here and just go blast it once. Okay, now we've just filled it with just one click. We'll be filling up a 3x3 square. So guys, this is basically how to go about this. If you play the game this way, you will be let's go ahead and check back on my profile. The last digit that was ending there was 9592. Let me refresh and check if it's going to go up. It didn't increase, but sometimes it takes a few seconds for the whole game scores to like synchronize, but everything is just going to add up for you. I've tried this a lot of times before I'm coming here to share it with you guys. If you do that, your pixel recolored and your PX mind is going to keep on increasing. Just keep on doing it. In no time, this airdrop is going to come to an end. So take the opportunity now to get the most allocation for yourself. Okay, I will end this video right now. See you guys in the next video. Go ahead, check the description for useful links there if you are just joining us for the first time. See you guys in the next video. Well, have a wonderful day and peace out.